So again, you are confused for the exam review, right? You do not know how you had to write the task 2. It's an extempo. As soon as the exam is over, I give the task 2, the way you should write it. And you are asking me such questions because you're using templates. You have not understood the question, what it demands, and you are just writing because पार्शल लगने से आपको अच्छे मार्क्स आते हैं, अच्छे बैंड्स आते हैं. Wrong. You do not know what the question is asking. Please read the question properly. You need to read. And before you go or skip another channel, this is not a wastage of time. If you have given your exam, just check how you have written your task 2 question. I will review it, and of course I will be telling you the level of the listening, reading, whatever the students have given me the feedback. So without any ado, let's dive into it. And I may remind you, I am an ex-IELTS examiner, so you can believe in me, right? So save this video for future reference if you have not given your exam, or please share it if you find it useful. One share can make a difference to somebody's life. Now I will be sharing my. Come here. I am an ex-IELTS examiner and I conduct online classes. There is study material for you and there is also evaluation. You can also get your one-to-one live evaluation with me and get to know your ideal or your current band score, and I'll tell you your weaknesses also. Okay, so this is going to be very useful for you so that you don't have to spend your money again and again and doing it. Okay, so I am there and this is the WhatsApp number, you can note down. And of course, now let's come to the question note. What wrong has been done by the student? See, don't memorize. Advertisements are becoming more and more common in everyday life. Means advertisement जो होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा common हो रहा है. Now यहाँ पे आपने गड़बड़ किया है. Is it a positive or negative development? What is the task saying? The children are saying, मैम इसमें partial लिख सकते थे. यहाँ पे to what extent नहीं है. Is it positive or negative? या to what extent you agree or disagree. Extent वाला नहीं है. You have to choose positive or negative. And here is this where you have gone wrong. Now see how much you have done. Maybe you will be getting good scores if you have done well in the other parts, like if you have addressed lexical and everything. Now these are the cue cards. I have all the cue cards that it's the final version of my PDF that is available, and it is different from whatever you say it is available in the market. And also I have a PDF for part 1 which also is different. You can also get real exam questions from me, the solutions, and then you can prepare from there. This is all those who want to reappear or have to prepare. So this is very good for you, the cue cards and the part 1. Now, I'll tell you how to do the introduction. Okay. In the contemporary society, that means the current society, advertisements have become an omnipresent, means present everywhere, feature of every day. Infiltrating means घुस रहे हैं, various mediums such as television, internet and public spaces. While advertisements aim to inform and persuade consumers, the increasing prevalence, that means it is very prevalent, it is common, of advertising raising concerns about its impact. So there is a concern, इसका एक concern है. This essay argues that the growing ubiquity, that means the omniscience of advertisements, represents a negative development. So why is it a negative development? Now this is, it represents a negative development. Now, I have given my opinion here, right? I have given my opinion here and I will be discussing. Now, one significant drawback of proliferation of advertisement is its manipulative influence. वो manipulate करता है on consumer behavior. Advertisements often employ psychological tactics to create artificial needs, need भी नहीं होती, and desires, encouraging people to purchase products and services they may not genuinely need. उनको चाहिए ही नहीं होता. This manipulation can lead to impulsive buying, okay, and financial strain, particularly among the vulnerable populations such as children. बच्चे कहते हैं ये लेना ही लेना है. लो इनकम इंडिविजुअल्स, उनको लगता है अरे हम तो बाय नहीं कर सकते. फॉर इंस्टेंस एडवर्टीजमेंट्स टारगेटिंग चिल्ड्रन विद शुगरी स्नैक्स एंड फास्ट फूड, है ना, कंट्रीब्यूट टू अनहेल्दी ईटिंग हैबिट्स. तो इसका नेगेटिव हो गया. एंड चाइल्डहुड ओबेसिटी, मोटे हो जाते हैं. Moreover, the constant exposure to advertisements can lead to materialism. ये नहीं, ये होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, where individuals measure their self-worth. अगर तो ज़्यादा है materials, ज़्यादा assets हैं तो हम बहुत successful है. And success by their possessions, fostering a culture of consumerism. Means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा consume करो, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीज़ें लो. That prioritizes material wealth over personal well-being. मतलब well-being का तो कोई ध्यान ही नहीं है. And social values. Again is on the mental health. Another concerning aspect of the increasing prevalence, वहाँ पे prevailing था prevalence of advertisement is the detrimental consequences, detrimental effect on the mental health, the relentless bombardment. आपको बार बार वो बोला जाता है of idealized images and messages in advertisements can contribute to feeling of inadequacy. है ना, हम तो काबिल ही नहीं है किसी के. एंड लो सेल्फ एस्टीम अमंग द कंज्यूमर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एडवर्टीजमेंट्स ऑफन प्रमोट अनरियलिस्टिक स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ ब्यूटी. जीरो साइज होना चाहिए. सक्सेस लाइफस्टाइल विच कैन क्रिएट प्रेशर टू कॉन्फर्म, मीन्स टू स्टिक, एंड लीड टू एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन, बॉडी इमेज शेमिंग या बॉडी इमेज इश्यूज यू कैन से. सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स इन पर्टिकुलर आर राइफ विद फुल ऑफ that exploit users insecurities. देखो बेटा, अगर तो आपको अच्छा लग रहा है ना तो प्लीज़ शेयर कर देना और एक लाइक जरूर देना. देखो, आई एम वर्किंग हार्ड टू हेल्प यू एंड इट इज़ बाय एन एक्स एग्जामिनर. सो गुड थिंग्स कमिंग टू यू. प्लीज़ शेयर एंड लाइक, ओके, बाय प्रेजेंटिंग क्यूरेटेड एंड एडिटेड. क्यूरेटेड मीन्स मैनिपुलेट किया हुआ, है ना, images of perfection. अगर ऐसा करोगे तो आप परफेक्ट हो. This constant exposure to unattainable, वो तो आप अटेन ही नहीं कर सकते, आप ले ही नहीं सकते, can lead to profound, means बहुत deep negative impact on individuals. ये देखो, mental health particularly among the teenagers. वो कहते हैं जी हमारे तो pimples हो गए. And young adults who are more susceptible, वो भी जो young adults हैं, टू सोशल कंपैरिजन, है ना, वो स्मार्ट लगती है, मैं नहीं लगता हूँ, ऐसे करके. नाउ कंक्लूजन में कोई नया चीज़ नहीं डालना होता. इन कंक्लूजन, द इंक्रीजिंग प्रेवलेंस ऑफ द एडवर्टीजमेंट्स इन एवरीडे लाइफ रिप्रेजेंट्स अ नेगेटिव डेवलपमेंट है ड्यू टू इट्स मैनिपुलेटिव इन्फ्लुएंस. मैनिपुलेट करता है ऑन कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर, वहाँ पे कंज्यूमरिज्म लिखा था. एंड इस डेट्रीमेंटल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज लिख सकते हो on mental health. The constant exposure of advertising fosters materialism, वहाँ पे material लिखा था, impulsive buying habits and unrealistic standards that can harm the individuals and society as a whole. To mitigate means to reduce these negative effects is crucial for the policy makers and the industries leaders. आप recommendation भी कर सकते हो अपने conclusion में. That is also a way of concluding, to consider stricter regulation on advertising practices and promote media literacy, है ना, and among the consumers, enabling them to critically evaluate and resist manipulative practices. तो आप recommend भी करते हो. This is a new way of writing your 9-band conclusion. Now, the listening they say was easy to moderate. अब कई लोगों ने तो बोला कि मैम जो थर्ड वाला था वो तो बड़ा फास्ट था, something like that, and the first two were easy. So it depends upon the student. And then the task one was a bar chart, right, for the academic. And The reading academic, the passage 1 and 2, they will say it was okay, it was moderate, but the last one was really hard. This is what my students have told me. So it could be different for you. And please update the answers, and I will upload the name of the passages soon as it is confirmed. At present, some people are saying this and that, and others are saying we don't remember. Thank you, and please don't forget to share and like if you like this video. Thank you.